If you have issues with your Bluetooth device not connecting properly on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, what you can do is first of all go to settings, choose connections, and the first thing that you can do is make sure that airplane mode is not enabled. Sometimes we turn it on by accident, and of course this causes Bluetooth devices not connecting with our phone. Then we can go to Bluetooth, and if you have the device paired but it doesn't work, then you can simply forget the device and connect again. So in this case you want to press under the setting gear on the right side, and then here you want to choose unpair. After that, turn off your device and turn it back on, put it into the pairing mode and try to pair your Bluetooth device again. If now that doesn't work, you can simply turn off your Bluetooth and turn off your Bluetooth device, then turn it back on and turn on your Bluetooth device as well, and then put it into the pairing mode and try to find it in available devices. Remember that you can refresh the list of available devices. If they don't work, then you can press, or if the list doesn't want to refresh, then you can press scan over here in the top right corner like this, and this is how we can check once again for available devices. Now, if the device was not paired, but you have been paired to the device before, then you can also just unpair the device, forget it on this device, and then try to pair again. However, if none of this helps, then there is one more thing that we can do. We need to simply go back to the settings, scroll all the way down and go to General Management. Then we want to go to Reset, and here you should be able to find Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. So if you go over here, unfortunately these two things cannot be separated. So if you reset Bluetooth settings, you will also reset Wi-Fi, so you want to reconnect after that to all your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth devices. So press Reset Settings. You will see this information that settings reset have been reset. So now we can go back to the main menu of settings, scroll up, and here we need to once again go to connections, open Bluetooth, and this time I'm gonna turn on my device again and put it into the pairing mode. And there we go, we can now see our device, so we can select it, pair it, and in this case I just need to press pair, and that is all. Now there's also one more thing. Remember that your Bluetooth device should not be connected to anything else. Of course, if you put it into the pairing mode, then it should solve the issue. But in some cases, perhaps you cannot put it into the pairing mode. There are some Bluetooth devices that cannot be put into the pairing mode and they automatically connect to anything that have been connected to before. So you want to disconnect the device on the alt device again, or you want to perform the factory reset of your Bluetooth device. And that is it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!